is the Mos Eisley Cantina. And it was not an easy set, was it?
Not at all. I was impressed with the time and dedication you put into building this.
Yeah, it's just so big. So here's a little look around at all the things. We'll get to the review in 1 second. And then, so first things first, the big cantina. So you can actually remove this like top lid and then take it off. And then I won't show you all of them, but all these little like places come out. These little like pillars, or not really pillars, but like roof pieces. They all come out. And that's really cool. Then you have the bar in there. And then I made the Bunda Baba scene, which is really cool. Then, like that you may have saw before, I have Greedo versus Han, Chewbacca, and then I just knocked down like a sand trooper or something. The sand troopers are really neat. I love all the, oh yeah, and it can open. I love all the sand troopers. Then you have all the customers, which are like, then we'll show you the minifigures and like pictures at like maybe the end or the beginning of the video. And then you have the big musicians, which is really cool. And then in this little hatch, you have Luke Skywalker because he fell over because he was pushed by Dr. Evanson. And then you have the two customers in there, which is really cool. And then you have, I think the Jawa's like hut or something. It's really cool. So the little hutch can open, but you can't see because of that thing. So what you can do is you can, there's this cool little hood, and then I can figure out, I forget. There's a way that you can open it. Can you hold the camera for a sec? There's a way you can open it, but I just have to figure that out. I think it's the detacher. Then, oh yeah, there. So as you can see, there's like a blaster, some glass, and then you have like, I think that's like for gas or something. Then you have like a broom, a wrench, binoculars, the ladder, which is really nice. Then this can attach to this like also little thing. I have the Jawa in there. Then there's a little place in there. I flip it like that. Oh no, the wrench! There's like a kyber crystal that fell. And there's a bunch of bags and little crates and stuff. Really cool. Since it's a Jawa, they like to collect stuff. Then they have like a pot there, a little kitchen, I guess. Really cool. And there's binoculars all over. There's just so many. So yeah, I think that's probably, we covered it for the basics of the cantina. And so if you go into like the outside stuff like this, and then you have like the moisture evaporators, which is cool. Then here we have the do-back, which is also an amazing thing. There, they added, and I really like it. Here's a close-up of it. I guess it's really not close, but his mouth can open. And he has like this little saddle, which is cool. And you can replace it with this. But the annoying thing is there's still these like little things there. But still very cool how they allow you to do it. And probably not many people do it. Unless you want like to make a normal do-back. And then you have Greedo's ship. In my opinion though, it does not look like Greedo's ship. So maybe I'll use it for the Imperial because he's never in it. It looks more Imperial to me in my opinion. Then you have this land speeder, and it's really cool because you can put a character in here and a character in the cockpit, which is really awesome. So then, yeah, and then there's the doors on the cantina. They can't slide open like in the movie. They have to go up and down like here. And there's a bunch more in different places. Like here's one, I believe. And that can open and close. Still cool though, because it would take up too much room. It said that in the booklet. It's part of the Master Builder series, so it tells you a lot about it. And then there was actually a typo or a misprint in the booklet, which I'll try to find. It's real thick. I've spotted them a couple times now. So inside the booklet, when you're building the Gonzo guy, I'll just call him, you have his cape that you put on him. But in this picture, there's no cape. It just disappears. So that I would count that as a misprint. Whoa! What are these? And then you have, I guess that's probably it. So before we leave, I'm gonna show you the minifigures, and then I'm probably gonna make a setup. That might not be on this video, but I'll probably do a video on Tatooine setup. So yeah, I'll show you the characters. And since I won't be talking during that, bye guys!